crafty friends, it's Ellie from Periwinkle Matilda. Today I have an unboxing. IMOON Crafts sent me some products to do an unboxing and to craft with. And I will put a link in the description box below with all the information for IMOON Crafts website and the items that I'm going to be showing you. I'll try to get the links. Hey Felix, I'll try to get the links for those items for you as well and put those in the description box. Okay Felix, get down. Also, they are going to offer a 12% discount code, and the code will be in the description box, and it's going to be Elise12, ELISE 12, and I will again put all the information in the description box. So let's get started showing you the items that they sent. So the first thing I chose was this cute little wooden box of Handwriting Alphabet. They sent me the lowercase. There's 28 pieces. And there's A through Z, and then an and sign and an at sign. So we'll be using these and trying them out. It goes like that. So that's the first item. Then they sent me some metal dies. This is a pretty rose metal die that we'll be using to make some projects. They also sent me this oval, it's got like a lace ornamental type of cutout, and they're the stacking ovals, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4 different sizes, and they actually sent me 2. So I will be in one of the upcoming videos where I'll be crafting with this. I'll be giving away one. We'll do a drawing. So that's that. And then they sent me this Hydrangea Stamp. Comes in this pretty packaging. And it's hydrangea and it feels like it's really good quality. So we'll be using this in a project as well. So again, all the information will be in the description box below. That's it for this video. Until the next time, have a great rest of your day. Stay safe and well and all that good stuff. Bye-bye, friends.